never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I am going to be sharing some evening speed cleaning motivation with you guys. So this video is a little bit of a shorter video, but I came home from work and the house was a mess. So I went ahead and put on some comfy clothes and started cleaning. And I wanted to start in the living room because I had gotten these baskets in and the boxes that they came in were huge. So I wanted to go ahead and get those out of the way. But stay tuned to see what I'm going to be doing with these baskets because I'm going to have an upcoming video where I'm organizing a few things around the house. But yeah, this is where I wanted to get started because this was the main mess in the living room. Now that I have everything taken out of the boxes and the boxes broken down, I'm just going to put the baskets away for now. And then we have some other cardboard and stuff that needs to be taken to the recycling center. So I'm just going to put these boxes with the rest of that stuff. That way we can take it off all at once. And then I'm just going to straighten up the pillows in the living room. That's really all that needed to be done in here. Now moving on into the kitchen, I just had some stuff on the island that I needed to put away, and then I also had some clean dishes from the night before that I didn't put away, so I want to go ahead and get those put up. And then there were a few dishes that I needed to wash, just like some cups and stuff, so I went ahead and did that.
Every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now. Give me a sign.
Now that everything else is put away, I'm just going to wash the few dishes, like I said, that I had. It wasn't much. I really think it was just like a cup and a straw and just a few other small things. So nothing major tonight, which was nice because I feel like I always have a ton of dishes. Like it's never ending and it's like I just can't catch up. So it was nice to have just a couple of things that I needed to wash this day.
And tell me when to begin. 'Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your...
I had also ran the dishwasher the night before, so I went ahead and unloaded the dishwasher. That way anything we used for the rest of the night, I could just go ahead and load that up so that it wasn't sitting in the sink or I didn't have to do the dishes again. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and empty the dishwasher.
To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been.
Once I had the dishwasher unloaded, I went and grabbed a clean e-cloth and wet it with really hot water. That way I could wipe down the countertops and the island. If you guys have not tried any of the eCloth products yet, I highly recommend them. I use them all the time, all throughout the house. I use the glass combo, as you guys know, for all of my mirrors, windows, our appliances, all of that, and there are never any streaks. And I love that they clean and disinfect with only water. That way when I'm in a hurry, I'm not having to use any sprays or anything, and I can just clean everything up, and they're super easy to use and they clean really well. So if you guys haven't tried them yet, I definitely recommend grabbing one or two and trying them in your house. I promise you, you will love them. Now that the kitchen and the living room are clean, I'm moving on into the dining room, and it's no surprise that our dining room table had collected a ton of stuff, so I'm just going to get all of this put up where it belongs.
You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Moving on into the bedroom, I really didn't have much to do in here. I just needed to make the bed and clean off my nightstand. And yes, I know it's evening time and I'm making my bed not long before we get in it, but I always like to make the bed before we get in it. If I don't make it that morning, I want to at least have the sheets and the comforter straightened out, because I don't sleep as well when the sheets are all messy and stuff. So better late than never, I guess, but I'm trying to get back into the habit of making the bed every morning. It doesn't get done every morning now, I'll be honest. Some days I'm just running late or whatever, I'm rushing to get out the door. So it doesn't get done every morning, but I'm trying to make that a habit to where it's done before I ever leave the house to go to work.
Forever. Forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I've been around. You've stayed
Now I'm just going to clean off my nightstand. I feel like stuff always collects here, whether it's lotion or water bottles or whatever. I feel like there's always something on my nightstand. I don't know if you guys are the same way. If you are, let me know in the comments.
walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about?
The last thing I wanted to do was get the bathroom countertop cleaned off and get all of this stuff put away where it belongs.
So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I
To wipe down the bathroom countertops, I'm just using a paper towel and the Mrs. Meyer's spray. The reason I'm not using my e-cloth in here is just because there was a lot of makeup and stuff in here, so I just wanted to use a paper towel to wipe down the countertops in the bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it motivated you in some way today. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.